job. There we go.
You guys clean it up?
Yeah.
That's nice of you.
I never.
You clean up that chair?
I can't, but me, I can't go.
Is it clean now?
No,
No, you need to clean more?
I want. Like,
Did you get it off?
no. Oh, no.
It's a lot of cleaning.
No.
All done? I'll take it if you're done. You done? No? Okay, your sister's cleaning like a mad woman. Good job!
Go.
Yeah.